Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am teacher Christie. I've been a teacher with Outschool for over 2 years now and love it so much. I've just recently created a course titled National Donut Day Learning Box. It is centered around National Donut Day coming up in June, but we'll go ahead and offer this class multiple times, even past the National Donut Day. But it is a fun box filled with a ton of learning, a lot of motivational and engagement pieces, and I'm going to go through each of those. I wanted to share, though, a little bit about the class and how we're going to incorporate both. Okay, it is a 5-week class, so we'll be meeting 5 times. And just as I scroll down into the description, as you can see this as well, you will purchase the class. You will also be given a link to purchase the box. It will be shipped to you right away with the information and the items in there prior to our class. In week 1, we are going to be focusing on a book that will be in the box. And this book is titled Donuts for a Dragon. It's a very colorful book, very engaging book, all about donuts, of course. But in this book, we're going to be incorporating different reading strategies. So we're going to be talking about author's purpose, how to ask questions, cause and effect, context clues, inferencing, quite a few reading strategies that we will be talking about in this class using this book. Okay. Also, in week 2, we are going to be incorporating also some math and skills with measurement and data as we focus on graphing. So in your course, you will be in the box, there will be graphs and anchor charts that share all about different types of graphs. But the amazing and fun part and the engaging piece is that students will be provided two, can't really see it here, two spinners. And we are going to be talking about how to use these, how students can use these in the class and even after the class. So I will be providing anchor charts, meaning information on different types of bar graphs. So this is going to serve us as both for math, and then we're going to talk about reading as well, how to use this teacher chosen tool. Okay, so that's going to come in there. So we'll be talking about measurement and data, and again, relating it back to the story. In week 3, we're going to be talking about writing. So I have a very popular class on Outschool. It is writing across genres that I teach quite a bit, multiple times a week, and it's been a highly requested class. So I've chosen to incorporate it into this box, this course. And so what we're going to do for this course is we're going to focus on opinion writing. And so what's going to happen is you're going to notice that students will be provided, again, anchor charts on opinion writing, what it is, but then we're going to have an opportunity to write together, to plan together. And then, of course, as I mentioned, with the spinner incorporated, they are going to be given a little chart here on opinion writing. And what's going to happen is this is going to tie into the spinner right there, and we're going to have fun writing an opinion piece together. All right. And then we will continue in the class working on writing. It's going to take a little bit longer because there's different writing steps in the process. And then our last week, we are just going to have fun enjoying having a conversation about what we've done. We are going to have a fun, yummy snack that is going to be incorporated into the box as well. Donut theme, of course, and much more. So there's quite a bit in this box. One other thing that I like to share in this particular box is students will be given a National Donut Day dog tag chain as well as the dog tag. I plan to do many more boxes with different themes, but this is just kind of the first piece in there. So there's a lot in this box, much more than I already shared. So like I mentioned here, you will be getting a brochure that will actually share with you what is in the box. Okay, you'll get the treat, you'll get the dog tag, the teacher choice spinner. We have the book. And one thing I did not share is to go along with the theme, students will be able to have some themed stickers for this box, just kind of an extra takeaway. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to message me. If there's a date that doesn't work for you, let me know that as well. I cannot wait to share this class with the rest of you. Have a great day, everyone.